Hello guys, this is just a quick video on the Fiat Doblo van, which is a very common issue to have, to be honest, on them. So you might notice the knocking when you accelerate or brake coming from your engine area. The first thing I would suggest, and the most common one, is the engine mount that you got under here, well, engine gearbox mount, whatever people call it. So you got this mount here. Obviously you can see that I already took the bolt out. There's a 80mm bolt going through here, so you just have to undo it. Then you got a long 90mm bolt going through the whole mount. There's 90mm nut on this side, so you need spanners to undo them, unless you want to take the exhaust off, but I would personally avoid it. Then you got another 90mm nut on here, and there's another 90mm nut on the top there that I'm going to try and shine my camera in there. So as you can see, one on the top, so that will take the bracket off. And the only reason I'm doing the bracket is so I don't have to move the exhaust out of the way, because this bolt is quite long. But yeah, the best way to check it is if you get a bar or something and you get it on there and just rock it around, then you'll see that the bush is completely split in there. As you can see, the middle bit is completely out. So every time you accelerate, let's just look at it, it's not doing anything, it's just literally hitting the metal with the mount. And that is the most common thing to go wrong on them, to be honest. So just get a new one. I got my one. If you want the link, I'll send you the link. So that's the new mount. As you can see, the bush is solid in the middle. It's only going to cost you, I don't know, about 30 quid, I think this one was. So not bad at all, to be honest. That's the Fabi one. So yeah, if you want a link, check the description below. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just replace it, tighten everything up, and then obviously check, and hopefully your noise will be gone. Have a good day. Bye.